I will begin by presenting our findings to the nursing staff and hospital management, detailing both the project triumphs and its difficulties. IRINGRA et al. 2020. I will have an in-depth discussion about the ramifications of our results and brainstorm ways to enhance our own infrastructure. We will also offer our results to the larger healthcare community via conferences, seminars, and webinars, in addition to giving presentations inside our own organization. To alleviate the negative consequences of the nurse shortage on patient care, it is important to network with other experts in the area to encourage the exchange of knowledge and ideas. Together, we can affect the continuing conversation and push for evidence-based policies that put patient safety and well-being first by making our work available to academics, politicians, and other interested parties. Conclusion. Resolving the lack of nurses is not just a professional responsibility, but also a moral needed. We have the capacity to revolutionize patient care and greatly improve nurses' well-being by enacting nurse-to-patient ratios rules and making focused improvements to our practice environment. The road ahead is steep, but we must climb it together with one mind and one heart, never wavering in our resolve to provide our patients with the best possible treatment. With your help and commitment, I know we can usher to a new era of healthcare where patient safety and nurse satisfaction take center stage. We appreciate your diligence, focus, and most of all, your dedication to quality. Let's work together to have an everlasting effect on the people we help. Thank you.